Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to make this video about my new taillights that I got. These are the HiRev V3s. I'm very happy with the taillights. There's only one thing that is pretty much really bothering me about them right now. I like the way they look, I like the way they work, but apparently when you change this car over to LEDs, I've heard even if you change the bulbs, after doing research, that you will get poor radio reception. So now I'm getting a lot of static every time I hit the brake or the lights are on. When the lights are off and I'm just driving normally, the radio reception is pretty much normal, but as soon as you hit the brakes, you're getting static. I'm going to show you guys in a minute what that's like, just so you could see. So that's something to consider if you're going to buy these taillights. I'm not sure if there's a fix for it or anyone's even brought it up as an issue. As far as having a whole taillight set, I saw on one of the forums and doing research recently that if you change like the brake lights over to LEDs, that was an issue. I just happened to find it last night. So that's the next little walk around I'm going to have to get through. Hopefully there's a fix. Maybe there's a some kind of a resistor I could put on there or something. I don't know if there's going to be a fix for it, but I would like to at least have FM radio for the little bit I do listen to it. Most of the time I don't use it, so it's not a huge issue for me, but yet it's annoying. So here, check it out. I'm going to show you the footage of what's happening just so you get an idea.
30% off custom holiday cards and invitations. Some can even be printed the same day.
Shop in store or order online.
And ring in the holiday for less this year at Staples.
And start 1920. Limit run. Visit staples.com/holidaycards for
So yes, as you can see, every time I hit the brake pedal, it's static every last time. There's no getting away from it. So if you guys have had a situation like this or know how to fix it, please put it in the comments below, or if you have anything to say regarding this that might help me out. You know, I try to give everybody as much information as possible, but I don't know everything, and I'm learning it just as much as you guys as I go. So if you can, help me out with this, I'd appreciate it. So guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.